Hey Sean, so here's the robot. You take your door. This is just a test. Put it down. It has a vacuum table, so it's locked the door in place. Robot's ready to go. So you just hit start. It'll take a picture of it and it'll tool path it. And then the robot does its thing. So we'll come down. It'll sand. And then it'll flip to the other pad. First it measures the profile with the laser. And then it'll flip to the other pad there. And it'll get right in the corner. It'll do linear pattern and it'll do circular pattern as well. So it's going to do linear first. And then it'll come in and it'll do a circular as well. And they're working on joining all these operations together because right now they're kind of all over the place. There we go, there's circular. And you can adjust the overlap, how much space. You can adjust the speed. You can adjust the pressure. And yeah. There it is. And it's done. So it's about under 2 minutes there. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it's really, really flat, really nicely sanded. You can also adjust. You have recipes here on the side, and you can adjust all the different number of passes. And then over here, you can adjust the overlaps, the type of sander, the speed, and the path that it moves. So you also have a help menu built in, and you have a dashboard which shows your different productivity data, which I find really useful. Anyway, let me know if you want more info.